Get some.
Wow. Fender versus hood. Fender has been paint corrected with Andre's magic. Hood has yet to be paint corrected. Look at the difference.
Look at the scratches on here.
Oh, yeah. That had that on there for
Well,
years at this point.
A lot of them will come off. It just looked like, I don't know, someone washed it while it was covered in sand.
It's Phoenix and Palm Springs area.
Yeah.
Normal.
The front end is a little bit more because
Well, it gets
it gets the brunt, but
it gets the brunt of the forces. But look at this. I have it on 2x zoom on my phone. But look at the difference. Scotty's over there fighting the gas can. Ooh, hey, FedEx guy's here. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Just lob it anywhere at this point.
I was gonna say, this is for number 4. Can you guys take it?
Yeah, we'll take it for tomorrow.
All right.
We'll get it to him. It's cool.
Thank you.
Yeah. So as I was saying, Scotty's right there. He's gonna get the lid off my gas can over there. We're gonna put some fuel in this, and by tomorrow, we're gonna fire this bitch up.
hey, it looked good.
Fire it up. Fire it up.
Yeah, I was like,
But
God.
Andre's doing his work. He might come by and finish it up tomorrow because it's getting a little late.
Getting late. I mean,
It's 4, but we have class tonight too.
yeah. And unfortunately, with my leg and the shit, 4 hours is usually my cutoff, and I've been here.
You got here at like 11, so you're pushing 5.
Yeah, it sucks, but maybe the surgery will help. I don't know.
Well,
Who knows?
we'll support you after your gender reassignment.
If you can't be an athlete, be an athletic supporter.
Yes. All right. So Andre's starting on the hood. But look at the difference. That's the type of magic that Andre does. Give us a ring. We'll get you in touch with Andre. You guys got paint correction needed, which a lot of the cars we see need it. Andre's your man. Scotty, well, sometimes. Scotty, what are you jerking off over there?
Trying to make a bushing fit.
You're making your own bushings?
Look at that.
Oh, hold on. I gotta go on the. Ooh! Wow! Andre Magic.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why we call Andre when we have a customer that needs paint correction. There's a difference between detailing and cleaning and washing a car and actual paint correction. Huge difference.
Yeah, I don't detail. I don't have the stuff for detailing.
You're not a detailer. You're a paint correction
No,
guy.
I do this stuff. I do this before a detailer comes in and washes, waxes, does his little crevice thingies, and
So detailer would be our friend Michael Roche.
yes,
Yes.
Michael.
He's been in
And he's
videos.
actually very, very good at what he does.
Yeah,
Very
He's
good.
been in a lot of our videos. Hey, what's happening?
when I work for Prescott.
You're welcome to
Yes.
come in and take a look around. You wanna-
Oh,
okay.
I've known Steve forever. Yeah, Steve's great. So yeah, Andre does paint correction, and then we get Michael Roche as our detailer. So let us know if you need a detailer as well, everybody.